Running a home service business could be challenging. With Klervo, we try to make things simple for you with our easy to use field service management software. Let's go ahead and talk about some of the things that set us apart from the competition. First off, the simplicity of being able to utilize our software. Everything is easy to be able to read, very clear on where to be able to go to do whatever type of items that you need to do. First things first, we want to talk about the dashboard. The dashboard gives you a snapshot or overview about your business as a whole. First thing is going to be the AI assistant on the dashboard. This right here takes all the information that's keyed into Klervo and gives you real actionable suggestions on how to be able to grow your business. So that way you're not just left with doing it yourself. We want to provide and give you some great tailor-made suggestions based on the info that has been keyed in. Another great thing about our software is that we do have different types of information that you could be able to utilize. So for example, top sources. This is where all your customers are coming from. So for instance, Facebook is going to be my number one source because 8 of my jobs have come from Facebook. And once again, all this information is fed into the AI assistant to be able to give you real, actionable marketing suggestions. With Klervo, we want everyone to be successful and to grow their business. You have all your jobs, your past, present, and future jobs, your inventory items, and also your sales. Once again, everything is all just in a snapshot. That way there, it's a quick overview. Your dashboard is a great resource on how to be able to make your business grow. Most services sold, you have your most popular areas. Once again, the AI assistant has all this information in the software. So that way there, it can give you real actionable suggestions. Another great thing about our software is the scheduling, the ease of scheduling. You could be able to just go to the schedule, add new job, fill in the information, and presto. If you need to move anything around, you could do so with our easy drag and drop. And don't worry about sending notifications because Klervo already does that for you. Next up, you have your jobs. In jobs, you could be able to quickly see all the jobs that you have done. Another great thing about the job list is that you could easily identify if the technician was late to that job. If you see the red truck, that means that the technician arrived late to that particular job. Another thing to look out for is the upsell. If you see this green U, that means that there was an upsell for that job. Another thing that sets us apart is the estimate decline rate. This allows you to be able to see why your clients are declining the estimates and gives you reasons as to why. This way here, you could be able to come up with a game plan on how to be able to overcome that obstacle. Another great thing about Klervo is that we do have in the job details information about the job. So you have the job duration listed right here. So for example, this job only took 3 minutes. How it's calculated is when the technician presses job started to when they press completed. Calculates the time. So that way there you could be able to easily see how long that job took. It is also listed on the very front page as well. Another great feature about Klervo, the different tags that we have. We give you the ability to be able to place a tag on the actual client and also on the job itself. So that way there you could be able to easily sort by the different tags that you have assigned. In the inventory section, we made things easy by color coding if the status of your inventory is good, low, or out. Another aspect that sets us apart is technician metrics. In this section here, in the overview under team, you have the workload graph showing you how many jobs that particular technician has worked, the workload hours, calculating all the hours that the technician has worked for each specific job, customer satisfaction score. This is the survey that the customer receives at the end of every job, and the upsell tracking. So if there was an upsell for a job, it tallies that up into this section. If the technician arrived late, this is going to be your late arrival rate. Gives you a percentage on how often they are late. So for this example here, you see that Philip is actually 50% of the time late to the jobs assigned to him. You have your top 10 employees and also any type of upcoming birthdays. So that way there you could be able to do something special for your teammates. With BizHub, we provide you with tailor-made, niche-based articles and also blog posts on how to be able to improve your business. So all you need to do is just be able to type the tag in here. So for this example, I have plumbing. It gives me 5 ways to get plumbing leads. I can click on this and start reading on the 5 different ways. And then we have AI built in right into our software. So if you want to ask questions to AI, you could certainly do so. If you need help creating an email blast for a promotion that you're writing, you could certainly do so. Anything that you could think of to ask AI, you could type that in this section here and be able to generate a response.